Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start a new chapter. We are not afraid to die if we all can be together. Written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. This chapter basically deals about the difficulties in life a person may go through. If there is the support of the family members or friends, then it is very easier for a person to face the challenges in the life. Another central idea of the chapter is using presence of mind, hand and eye coordination. When we will go through the chapter, we will come to know that how important it is. Instead of getting panic, we must use our presence of mind to tackle the situations. So the story, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, is a story of extreme courage and skill exhibited by Gordon Cook, his family and crewmen in a war with water and waves for survival. In July 1976, the narrator, his wife Mary, son Jonathan and daughter Suzanne set sail from Plymouth, England to duplicate the round. So, 4 members were there, 4 family members. Jordan, his wife Mary, Jonathan and daughter Suzanne. They sailed from Plymouth. They started from Plymouth, England, to duplicate the round, the world voyage made 200 years ago by Captain James Cook. They took the voyage in their professionally built ship, the Wave Walker, in which they were traveling. Wave Walker. This was the ship they have used for the voyage. Accompanied by 2 experienced sailors, Larry Vigil, one more was there. He was an American. And second one is Herb. So 2 crew members were also there. He was a Swiss crew member. So 2 crewmen were there, Larry Vigil, who was an American, Herb, who was a Swiss person. They were taken along with them to tackle one of the world's roughest seas. And which ocean they were sailing? The southern. They were sailing in southern Indian Ocean. This sea is known as the roughest sea. So that is the reason Cook, he has accompanied 2 crew members along with him. So that if any difficulty is there, these 2 people are there to help them out. So the first part of the journey, that is about 1,05,000 kilometers up to Cape Town, passed off very pleasantly. So they have travelled around 1,05,000 kilometers very pleasantly without any difficulties. So they have reached Cape Town without any difficulty. The travel was very pleasant. It was a pleasing moment for them. But on the second day out of Cape Town, they began to encounter strong gales. Strong gales means strong winds. Gales did not worry the narrator. He was not horrified, he was not scared because of the gales. He was scared because the size of the waves was alarming. It was up to 15 meters as high as the main mast. What is mast? This is the ship. The top point of the ship is known as mast. So the size of the ship, the size of the wave was coming till the top of the main mast. On 25th December The writer's ship was in the southern Indian Ocean, 3,500 kilometers to the east of Cape Town. The family celebrated their New Year on board in the ship itself. Now the situations are going to change in the journey. Till now we have seen that everything has gone so pleasantly. They were enjoying, they have celebrated New Year. Now a turning point will come in the story. Till now we have seen this much. Tomorrow we are going to see further the second part of the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.